Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and in this video we will going to learn how to add or replace audio from your video file. In our last video, we have do some tweaks with the help of Audacity which will enhance the voice quality of our audio by removing background noise, by applying compressor and limiter, etc. But the problem which we have faced with Audacity that it generates us the .mp3 file, and here they are. So if you see, that first file is sample video.mp3 that has been generated by Audacity, and that is the file where we had done some voiceovers to improve the voice quality, and .mp4 is the original one. So the question which left with us that how we can attach that mp3 file with .mp4 file. So that is what we are going to cover in this video. And the software which we are going to use in this video will be VSDC, a free video editor. As the name suggests that it is a video editor which can do multiple tasks. But in this video, we will only cover how we can replace the audio of your video file. So to download this software, just fire up a browser and type download VSDC for Windows 10. So the first option which you will get is from videosoftdev.com. Click on it. And there are two options to download. First is for 64-bit operating system and second is for 32-bit operating system. Depending on the operating system do you have, just download it. As I'm not going to download as I have already downloaded it in my system. So let me take you directly to the VSDC software. So this is how VSDC user interface will look like. First thing is to create a new project. So on the top left you can see there is an option, new project, click on it. And these are the project settings. You can give it any meaningful title, author, publisher, date, copyright, description, etc. Device will be free configuration. Resolution, whether you want to opt for Full HD, Ultra HD, it's up to you. Width will be automatically selected as per the resolution which you had selected. Leave the frequency to 44100 Hz and channels to stereo. Frame rate, it's up to you whether you want it for 10 FPS, 30 FPS or 60 FPS. Let's just click on finish. Next, we need to add video or video file.mp4 file to this project. And there are a couple of ways you can do this. First is from the wizard itself. On the top left panel, you can see there is an option add object. Click on it. And there is an option called video. Click on it and where you can browse the location where your audio or video files resides. Alright, next is you can directly drag and drop this video. So let me do it for you. So let me drag this file to VSDC. Here it is. In the bottom you can see that profile has been generated. But now there is only one profile which is for audio and video together. Now we need to split the audio and video so that we can delete the audio of this particular video file, right? So for that, just right click on it, click on properties, and within the property window tab in the bottom side, you can see there is an option split video in audio. Click on it. So now you can see there are two profiles. One is for video and another one is for audio. As we don't need this audio, so let's just get rid of this by right clicking on the audio profile. And there is an option delete. So let's just delete that. And let's get back to the audio which we need to associate with that video. Here it is, sample video.mp3. Just drag and drop and place it just below the audio profile. That's it. So the only thing is left is to export this project. So just click on export project and you can select any other option. Let me select to MP4. And on the right hand side, there is an option export project. Click on it. Click on continue. It will going to take some time. So that's it. That's how we can attach any other audio to that video. And this software will make sure there is no quality loss, unlike different free software available in the market. So that's it in this tutorial. Thanks for watching.